Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to plan a trip in the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the plus sign at the bottom of the page. And then click on the trip plan button. So first you have to set the destination. And then you have to set the start and the end date. And there's an option to invite a trip mate, but that's just optional. So just click on the maybe later button. And as you can see, the application is creating the base of your trip, where you can find the reservations and attachments. So you can add buses, trains, rental cars, you can add notes, you can add places to visit, and as you can see, there are recommended places. So for example, if you're interested in the Netherlands Open Air Museum, then just click on the plus sign next to it, and it's added to the places to visit. And you can just add any optional points to this. There's the itinerary section, there's the explore section, so you can check video guides on YouTube and TikTok. You can find travel information. You can search for different categories in foods, and you will find all the nearby destinations that are worth a visit. And of course, you can set a budget section where you can add expenses to this trip. So overall, these are all the things that you can do. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.